Hey viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling one of the most challenging but essential topics, how to build wealth even if you have zero income. Whether you're currently between jobs, a student, or just starting out, this video will show you practical strategies to get your financial journey rolling. No paycheck required. You don't need money to start building wealth, just the right mindset and approach. Let's dive in. Breaking free, wealth beyond income. Imagine the feeling of liberation, standing on the summit of your dreams, the chains of financial constraints shattered. Don't let zero income define your future. Picture yourself, determined and focused, sketching out the blueprint of your success, knowing that your current situation is just the beginning. Wealth isn't reserved for the privileged few. It's for anyone willing to take the steps. Look around in the bustling city, in the diverse boardrooms. Wealth is being created by those who dare to dream and act. It's a mindset, a journey of creation. Envision yourself finding clarity in nature, jotting down your goals and aspirations, transforming thoughts into reality. It's about taking control, building something from nothing. Like a plant pushing through the toughest ground or constructing a foundation block by block, your wealth journey starts with small, deliberate actions. This is your guide to doing just that. We'll explore practical steps from understanding financial principles to seeking mentorship. Imagine highlighting key insights in a book or receiving guidance from someone who's been there. Igniting the fire within to achieve financial freedom. Feel the spark of inspiration, the rush of excitement as you run towards your goals. The horizon of possibilities expanding before you. Your journey to wealth starts now. Step onto the path of financial independence. Open the door to a future filled with light and opportunity. The adventure begins here, and it's yours to shape. Don't miss out on future insights and tips. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Your path to wealth is just a click away. Mindset, the foundation of your fortune. Belief is everything. It all starts with the way you think. Your thoughts shape your reality, and your mindset is the cornerstone of your success. Believe you can build wealth, and you will. Visualize your financial goals clearly and take consistent steps towards them. Confidence in your ability to achieve financial success is crucial. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Identify the thoughts that hold you back and consciously shift them to positive affirmations. This mental shift can transform your financial journey. You are capable of extraordinary things. Recognize your potential and push beyond your comfort zone. Every challenge you overcome builds your confidence and brings you closer to your goals. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Each obstacle is a chance to learn and improve. Approach difficulties with a positive mindset and see them as stepping stones to success. Cultivate a mindset of abundance. Focus on the opportunities and resources available to you. An abundant mindset attracts wealth and prosperity into your life. See the potential in yourself and the world around you. Stay curious and open to new possibilities. Your vision and creativity are key to unlocking your fortune. Your mindset is your greatest asset. Nurture it, protect it, and let it guide you towards a prosperous future. Remember, the foundation of your fortune lies within your own mind. Unleash your potential. Skills into assets. Everyone possesses unique talents. Identify your strengths. What are you naturally good at? What do you enjoy doing? These skills are valuable. They can be monetized in countless ways. Don't underestimate yourself. Your skills are your starting point. Knowledge is power-free resources for growth. The internet is a goldmine of free education. Learn new skills, explore different fields. Online courses, tutorials, and communities are at your fingertips. Invest in yourself. Knowledge is power. Empower yourself with the tools for success. Creating value, your path to first income. Think outside the box. How can you provide value to others? Offer services online, create and sell products. Freelancing, consulting, and online businesses are all viable options. Start small, be consistent, and watch your income grow. The power of now. Start building your future. The journey to your dreams begins with a single step. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There will never be a perfect time to start. The stars will never align perfectly. The time to act is now. Embrace the present moment and make the most of it. Your future depends on what you do today. Take that first step, no matter how small. Small actions lead to big changes over time. Every journey begins with a single step. Every step forward is a victory. Celebrate your progress no matter how minor it may seem. Each step brings you closer to your goals. Stay committed to your goals. Consistency is key. Keep your eyes on the prize and stay focused on your path. Your future self will thank you. The efforts you put in today will shape the life you live tomorrow. Make choices that your future self will be proud of. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with others. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching.